G'day, it's Adrian here from Using Technology Better with another tip in the Gmail space. It actually applies to any email package that we use, but it's just kind of a really good workflow we can set up in Gmail. Now, when we get emails, we've gone away for a day or so, we've come back, we've opened up our mail, and we find that we've got a whole lot of the emails that we haven't read. And what we can do is come at the top here and start dealing with this email in here. Now, this one here arrived to us most recently, where the ones that got to us earlier on in the day are down the bottom. So we really should be actually dealing with the ones that arrived the first rather than the ones that arrived the most recently. So what we can do is we can get our little cursor, we can come down to the bottom email, this one from Samantha here, open it up, deal with it, read it and go, okay, archive that. And then we get brought back to our inbox again and we can start the process over and over again. However, what if there's a way that we can make this work a little bit easier? Well, we can. So what we want to do is automatically move up our list when we click on an email or deal with an email inside our inbox. So if we come to our settings cog, see all settings, and then from here we want to come to advanced. Now in advanced, we want to actually tick on this one called enable. And then what we'd like to do is save the changes. Then we need to come back into our settings again, see all our settings, and come back to our general area. Now the reason for this is in our general area now down, if we come scrolling down, there'll now be a section